YTPC, Ford Smoking Pipes here. I'm Ford. That's my pipe. I know, you didn't hear anything from me for over a month, and now here's 3. Go figure, right? I don't know. Just in case you missed me all that time, I thought I'd throw you another one. Got my Amigo 51 from Mr. Brogg, very wood pipe. Today's choice, Billy Bud. Little cigar leaf, little Latakia. Bright Virginias, a little burley. Heavy on the Latakia. And cigar leaves in the rear somewhere. Alright, I like me some good cigar leaf. Raspberry tea from the gas station. First time try out on a new phone holding device. First time videoing this vehicle. Everybody knows the old Ford I had, not Tempo, that was way long ago. Taurus. There you go. Not losing my marbles. Just let them roll around once in a while. Bit the dust on New Year's Day. Well, day after. First day back to work and it's over. Too much money to replace it. Well, to fix it. For the life left in the vehicle. So now we're in the escape mobile. 4-banger. Easy on the gas. See how much road noise we get out of this. Could be the first and last video while driving in the escape mobile. I've decided there's not near enough humor in the world. At least Ford's kind of humor anyway. So, thinking real seriously about making what I'm calling the humor hour for the week. I don't know, might change the name. Might be a funny story. Might be a real funny story. Which means a funny story that's real. Because what I find is reality. Can be stranger than fiction. Yeah, I know it's a cliche. You've heard it before, but it's true. The nuts and bolts of things that happen in normal life sometimes are more strange than what a man can make up. Go figure. One would never have thunk that one. Thunk. That is a term used to reach deep down into the vocabulary to make fun of. I lost it. It was going to be funny when I drug it out, but marble rolled off. I didn't get to drag it all the way out. Then what a man can think of. I can think of a lot. I always wanted to write a book. I probably should, but I haven't. It requires me to function after my day job. Anyway, the only time I truly get to make videos is still that hour drive on the road. It'd probably help if I wasn't in town right now. So this is a test, like I said, of the vehicle noise, to see how it sounds, so forth and so on. And to see what you think about the humor of it. 'Cause I'm thinking, as tragic as everything seems to be, we should laugh more. And what's funnier than an old codger smoking a pipe telling us a funny joke? Speaking of that, I heard one day, he's actually, I think he's a preacher from Calvary, Canada, that told it. He said a woman died, and she was a spinster. Yeah, you get it. She never was married. Didn't go out on dates. Basically was alone. So, she did not want any male pallbearers to carry her casket after her death, because she said, "They couldn't take me out in life. I don't want them to take me out when I'm dead." I know it's a stretch, but hey, I thought it was pretty funny. It is at least worth sharing once. Let me know. If y'all don't like it, I will never share it again with anybody else. Kind of like tell your closest confidants things that you don't do in public, like YTPC videos are not public. Go figure. Yes, they are. Oh well. Got a good flavor to it. Been in in Latakia mood the last couple of days, which is strange. I've been gone from it for so long. I can tell you the appreciation of it's a little different this time. Before, I couldn't handle any of the aromatics, so they was all bitey. Now I can handle them. And something like this is a great palate reset for like the Lane 1Q, or even the half and half, although I'm reluctant to call it an aromatic, but it has some aromatic tendencies to it. You drop a couple bowls of Billy Bud down and then you flip back to those others, 1Q and whatever your favorite aromatic might be. Their flavor pops pretty good then. Well, curvy backcountry roads. That was a semi-truck. He was sharing my side and I was sharing his side, and all of a sudden we seen each other and we had to get back on our sides. Slight bit exaggeration there for humor's sake. Let's just say we encroached each other's side just a hair. He was bigger, so I got on up out of the way. Man, I missed this. Anyway, let me know what you think. Hit me up in comments. These other guys always say like and subscribe and all that jibber jabber. If you, yeah, you know the drill. You've heard them say it. YTPC, brothers and sisters of the Briar.